I think we'll stay in Romans today. You can just go to the next verse from where we were yesterday, Romans chapter 2, verse 22. And it's a bit of a delicate subject. But let's look at the question. It's in the Bible and we can't avoid it. You who say that people should not commit adultery, do you commit adultery? Now, Jesus came to restore sexuality to its proper dignity and place, which of course is in marriage. Yet there are tremendous sexual temptations today presented by technology, travel, and medicine. So I've got to ask you, are you remaining sexually pure in this impure age? What safeguards have you put in your life to ensure you don't stumble? What are you willing to do if you have given in to sexual temptation? Keep in mind that sexual sin is not to be taken lightly, even though our culture and society today does take it lightly, but it is also not an unforgivable sin. Now in 1 Corinthians 6, verses 18 through 20, it says, "Flee from sexual immorality. All other sins a person commits are outside the body, but whoever sins sexually sins against their own body. Do you not know that your bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit who is in you, whom you have received from God? You are not your own. You were bought at a price. Therefore, honor God with your body." So go, 1 Corinthians 6, 18 through 20. Read it for yourself and then do just what it tells you to do. Flee sexual temptation and immorality. I know it's sometimes not easy to do, as I said earlier, in this culture. But God will not tempt us beyond what we can bear. So that's it for today. Come on back tomorrow and we'll have another session around a Bible question.